Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar. Firstly you have to go to settings. Then you have to go to the storage section. RAM and storage space, Switch from this device to SD card and then tap on three dots here, select format and confirm it. And after that, SD card will be formatted in a few seconds and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.